Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add subtitles in Capcut. So let's go to Capcut, after you just install it of course. We're gonna press new project. We're gonna select our video which we want. We're gonna add it. And here is our video. We're gonna press here on the bottom, we're gonna press text. We're gonna press auto captions and select the sound source from video. We're gonna select after that our animation. We don't have Pro, so we need to use a free one, this one. We wait for it to generate, and this is our captions.
This is a video showcasing how you can add subtitles on Capcut.
And also, this is how you can style it here. You're gonna press on the bottom, and we're gonna select our presets over here, and we can change the animation as well. Let's put this one.
This is a video showcasing how you can...
Okay, this looks fine for me, and all I have to do is press save, and that's it. This is how you add subtitles on Capcut. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.